Hello and welcome in new network 3D visualization with TensorSpace from Pact. My name is Kuba Konchik and I've been programming since 1995. And since around 2006, I started to build quite complex Python systems. And I ran into machine learning when I was hired to predict real estate prices. And I really didn't have a lot of time to do that, and I failed miserably. And after a while, I've decided, okay, let's jump in and see what did I actually get wrong and how can I learn this stuff. And I decided pretty much to just, share what I know, what I've learned over the years about machine learning. So let's look at the course overview. And we have only 3 sections in this course, but we'll start with section 1 and just to give you some idea, some context about 3D network visualization, why that might be useful, and the main benefits behind them. Then we will switch to section 2 and get started with creating our visualizations. Specifically, we will create our first neural network visualization of our model. Then in section 3, we'll dig deeper a bit into the details, how we can configure those visualizations, what we can do with it, and also what kind of layers can we visualize and what are the main layers that we can visualize and how we can work with them. So what are the prerequisites for this course? The main prerequisite is some working JavaScript knowledge. And this is just very basic requirement. You don't have to be an expert, but you have to be able to work with JavaScript code and also build simple web pages and pretty much just move comfortably in this space. And one thing to keep in mind, since we have a limited time that we have in this course, I would like to focus on the big picture of the 3D visualization. And of course, we'll have plenty of explanations, but keep in mind that we want to get the general idea behind it. And if we can, we get into specifics, but general idea is the most important one. So without further ado, let's get started.